Hello guys, good morning. Today is June 14th, 2026 and we are here at Barbecue Tonight Kabab House for the Sunday lunch buffet. So at 310 International Drive, and let's see, check it, how many dishes they offer and what is the price for the Sunday lunch buffet.
Okay.
So we just arrived inside Barbecue Tonight and they have a buffet price for Sunday special only $24, and that's every Sunday 11:30 to 3:30 p.m. and they have Friday night buffet special which is $24 and timing is 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. So let's check it out. What are the buffet dishes?
He's like taking all the restaurants.
Very famous chicken biryani. This is very delicious looking beef nihari. This is a mouth-watering goat paya.
Wow. So delicious. I love it.
So this is chicken keema and all-time favorite butter chicken.
That's a aloo chole.
So these are the breakfast special aloo chole. This is special chicken tandoori at Barbecue Tonight
And halwa puri.
and halwa puri, the breakfast special. So fresh fruit and kheer rice pudding. Desi chai and orange juice is also included in the buffet. Okay, see you at the table. So we saw all the dishes before and now let's start the food tasting. And this is halwa. This is crispy, tasty puri for halwa and chole and aloo. Black.
Okay guys, so far we tried that Pakistani Indian breakfast, aloo, chole, halwa, puri, naan. I like it. Good taste. So now after this we finish, we're trying some other dish and see you again.
Okay.
Huh? Go ahead.
So now we are trying goat paya, which is a special dish of this buffet, and let's try goat paya.
I'm share with you.
We'll garnish goat paya with some cilantro, some green chili,
and lemon.
and some lemon.
Look delicious, huh?
Yeah.
Now we're trying goat paya. Everybody favorite. They love it if they like it. The paya, goat paya is so gorgeous. Look at that. How beautiful bone with the meat all over. Look delicious. Oh my god. I'm go crazy about that. I'm enjoying with tandoori naan. That's the best way to eat that.
So guys, now we are trying chicken biryani. Very
Nice,
colorful,
colorful,
and juicy.
juicy. Order. Look at that. एक सेकंड ऐसे ही रखो. Okay, what do we next will try? Tandoori?
So we are trying tandoori special barbecue tonight.
Famous for that, right?
Exactly.
That's good, look delicious. Let's go, enjoy. See you on the table.
Next dish we're trying chicken biryani and tandoori chicken. Look at that. How gorgeous, how colorful, and with the rice, nice. Now I'm trying tandoori chicken. That is the famous for this restaurant. Let's see. Chicken is very tender and juicy. I like it.
So we have tried different kind of food, and the last thing we are gonna try is kheer rice pudding
Dessert, right?
dessert.
Look delicious, huh?
Very good.
A lot of dry fruit top of that.
Yeah.
Look at that dry fruit. Wow.
So finally we have fresh food, which is a watermelon, very red, juicy. I'm gonna try that too.
Wow.
If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. You get notification more and more interesting video. Okay, so far we try almost all dishes, all delicious, perfect, cooked, nice. I like it. Now we're trying the famous dessert. It's called rice pudding.